In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a category menu in Wix, a step-by-step guide tailored for 2025. Whether you are a seasoned Wix user or someone just getting started, setting up a category menu can help organize your content, making it accessible and visually appealing to your visitors. Let's dive right into it. To begin, navigate to wix.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you're directed to your site's dashboard, a central hub where you can manage everything related to your website. From your dashboard, look for and click on the Design Site button. This will take you directly to the Wix editor, where you can make visual and functional changes to your site with flexibility and ease. Inside the Wix editor, your next step will be to click on Pages and Menu. This section is vital because it controls the structure and navigation of your website. Here, you can modify existing pages and also explore options to optimize your site's menu. Scroll through and locate blog pages in the menu options. Click on it, and you'll find yourself inside the blogging environment of your Wix site. This area is configured for your content writing and publishing needs. Moving forward, click on Blog within these options. This will subtend a set of tools and features specific to how your blog posts are displayed and managed. Blogging on Wix can be an exciting endeavor, providing a creative platform for you to share insights or business information with your audience. Now, look for Add section. By clicking on it, you can incorporate various elements into your site, be it a gallery, video, or text, enhancing the diversity of your content presentation. After this, proceed by clicking on Add Elements. This menu offers you different components that can be introduced to your blog or web page. These elements range from interactive widgets to visual enhancers, boosting the functionality and aesthetic of your site. Within the Add Elements options, select Blog. This is the area where you find blog-specific tools, including the category menu that we are focusing on today. Search for Category Menu, click on it, and you will see options for adding this feature to your blog page. A category menu is instrumental in grouping similar posts under defined headings, assisting users in navigating through your content more intuitively. Finally, drag or click on Category Menu to integrate it into the appropriate section on your page. You can position it where it best suits your layout or aesthetic preference. Customization of the menu can further enhance its appearance, allowing you to align it with your site's style and theme. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have a functional category menu on your Wix site, improving your visitors' experience by making your blog easier to navigate. Thank you for following along and happy creating!